Okay, now you're good.
On something like this, before you even put any chemicals on it, you can see what we do is try to remove all the soap film. This is a helpful hint. The 3-inch razor blade works better than a 2-inch. And it's just easier. But you can see I hope you can see that's just soap. And if you try to use the chemical to get it off, it takes forever. Because you got to get that off. And usually the soap film only goes up, realistically, about 3 tiles, except under the shower head, and it's worse here. But you can see over here, it's not there. It's certainly on the 3rd tile, but underneath the fixtures. This place was never, probably they rented it for 2 or 3 years and they never cleaned the shower once, I'm certain of it. So anyway, we're going to update you as we go through this project.
All right, I'm recording.
Okay, here's what it's going to look like after we've gotten most of the soap film off of the walls. And the mold, that's good old black mold. Is just basically laying in that grout. That grout has to be removed. There's no bleach or anything in the world that's going to get that out and make that go away. They're just not. So we're going to regrout that. We're going to recaulk that edge and regrout this floor. So here we are. Once again, you can see the bottom of the fixture as far as the brackets that hold this on. I don't know if you can see it. Great. But that's a pretty darn good cleaning job when you can get that off of the bottom of those brackets. We've got to do the caulking. We've got to regrout it. But honestly, this is pretty good cleaning work. Got all that mold gone. We've got the glass so that you can see through it.